Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead Cells with a controller on PC. First, connect your favorite controller to your personal computer. You can use a USB cable for a wired connection or Bluetooth for wireless freedom. Make sure your controller's drivers are fully updated to ensure smooth operation. Once connected, launch Dead Cells and head straight into the game's options menu to begin configuring your settings. This initial step is crucial for a seamless experience. Now that your controller is connected, it is time to customize your in-game experience. Go to the Controls or Key Bindings section within Dead Cells Options menu. Here, you can freely remap actions such as jumping, attacking, and dodging to any button you find most comfortable. Take your time to experiment with different layouts. Some players prefer a more aggressive setup, while others prioritize defensive maneuvers. Fine-tuning these settings will significantly enhance your gameplay. Sometimes, you might encounter small issues with your controller. First, ensure Steam Big Picture mode is enabled, as it often improves controller recognition and compatibility. Also, check for any other input devices or background applications that might be interfering with your controller's signal. A simple restart of both your personal computer and the controller can often resolve minor connectivity glitches. These quick checks can save you a lot of frustration and get you back into the action swiftly. To truly master Dead Cells with a controller, focus on advanced techniques. Practice parrying enemy attacks and dodging with precise timing. These are crucial for survival. Don't be afraid to experiment with different controller layouts to find what feels most natural and efficient for your playstyle. The game's training room is an excellent resource for refining your movement and attack combinations without penalty. Consistent practice will transform your gameplay, making you a formidable force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.